How to fix the issue with system user interface. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Setting Application, go to App and then go to App Management. In the search box, simply search for Android System Wellbeing. Once you do, simply click on it. Then after, go to the Storage in Android System Web View. Go to Storage Uses, clear the cache and also clear the data. Then after, head back in the setting. In the search box, simply search for Reset. Then after, click on Backup and Reset and click on Reset Phone. After that, click on Erase all data to reset your factory setting. Make sure you have backup of your important data and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.